Today we're going to talk about the energy efficient home improvement tax credits for 2023 and beyond. Recently, the Inflation Reduction Act was passed, and here are some things in there that I think are important to you. If you're looking at home improvements that involve energy efficiency, one of them is called Section 25. Section 25 of the Inflation Reduction Act talks about energy efficient home improvement products and credits. This means that you can actually get a credit for doing some things to increase energy efficiency in your home. But believe it or not, there's also some money available when it comes to windows and doors. Recently, Amar, one of our customers who replaced his windows, just found out the energy tax credit backdates to this year. Because we installed quality window, he will receive a $1,200 tax credit. So how do homeowners know if they qualify? Energy Star has a new rating called Energy Star 7.0. In the South Central region, the lower the U value and solar heat gain coefficient, the better. You'll hear other window companies say that you don't need these numbers or that it's overkill. In reality, it may be because the window they sell doesn't qualify. We offer a value match guarantee. Click the link below to learn more. And for a limited time, learn how your windows can take you on a cruise or vacation.